Hi, I'm John Webler with the testing team at Yamaha, here to talk about the different cab options we have for the RMAX 1000, starting with this hard cab. If you're looking for the most comfort in the more extreme cold weather conditions, the hard cab is what you're looking for, and that starts with the Windshield. With 1/4-inch laminated glass, it offers the optimum scratch resistance when you're using the wiper and washer system in the more extreme trail conditions. Also mounted with A-pillar shrouds that integrates nicely with the hard cab doors. Speaking of the hard cab doors, let's start with the front. Up top you have a tempered glass window with 3 positions, closed, vented, and open to help adjust airflow depending on weather conditions out on the trail. It also has interior and exterior door handles that are lockable, as well as an integrated door pocket for your snacks, gloves, or anything else you need out on the trail, as well as a full perimeter seal to help keep the dust out. And for anyone sitting in the back, the rear doors share a lot of the same features. Tempered glass 3-way adjustable windows, interior and exterior lockable door handles, a full perimeter seal to help keep the dust out back there as well. You'll also notice the passenger door opens rearward for more convenient ingress and egress. This unit also has our Yamaha genuine accessory mirrors, and to help keep that maximum viewing area, we have the hard cab mounts. When the temperature starts dropping outside and you want to stay warm inside the vehicle on the trail, you can level up with our new cab heater kit. This heater kit includes defrost vents for the windshield, chest and floor vents for the front passengers, and for the RMAX 1000, rear vents for the passengers in the back. The new mounting location behind the dash provides more efficient heating, reduced fogging, and helps keep the components out of the elements. To dial in the temperature while you're out there on the trail, the heater kit has a 4-speed fan and adjustable temperature control. Now for those of you that live in more moderate climate areas where the weather conditions or temperature changes throughout the day, let me show you this RMAX 1000 that we've equipped with Yamaha genuine accessories tailored for those conditions. Tip-up windshield offers 3 different positions, so in the morning when it's cold you can keep it fully closed. As it starts warming up you can move it to the vented position, and if it starts to get really hot outside you can open it fully. This windshield is also hard-coated for premium scratch resistance, one-hand operation from the driver's seat or the passenger seat, and gas struts to help minimize movement when you're out there on rough trails. Now this soft cab on this RMAX 1000 includes a steel perimeter frame that mounts to your OE doors. It adds an exterior door handle as well as a fully removable window that you can stow in the included storage bag. You can also fully remove the soft upper door windows, and included in the kit are plugs for the OE door. Our Yamaha genuine accessory mirrors also mount directly to the frame of the soft upper door windows. To complete either cab kit, we offer the RMAX 1000 sliding glass rear window. Not only is the glass tempered and tinted, but you can also slide it and latch it to control the airflow out there on the trail. For additional storage, added lighting, extra vehicle protection, or anything else you may need to tailor your vehicle to the trails you ride on, visit us at YamahaMotorsports.com.